power band's gonna come in and pop out. That was a good one. What?
Can that thing go up automatically or something?
Yeah, watch.
That's cool.
Yeah, right?
Chips that paint.
Ah, screw that paint. I'm getting new fenders on it.
You are?
Everything.
Look, Mom! Look, Mom! Wee, wee.
Try putting your foot down. Jesus Christ.
This is how you were whenever you first got your 100.
Yeah, I know.
God, you've had that thing that long?
Huh?
He was 9 when he got his 100.
We're selling the 100.
You were
Oh yeah, I've
like,
had that 100 for like 4 years.
He was like a 9 whenever he got it.
Yeah, I was young.
Myles, show Troy your walking wheelie.
I'll follow you.
Alright, hold on. Let me sit on that, Bryce.
Careful, that's an automatic kickstand.
Look, Mom!
Oh, is it?
Yeah, if you tilt that bike, it's gonna pop up.
Well, that's neat.
Yeah. Gas, gas. Europeans really think.
Yeah, for real.
It's a European-made bike.
Or it's an aftermarket part, you never know.
Since it's European, you'd think it'd break down after 3 hours of ride time. It's lasted 15 years. That motor's lasted at top end.
What year is this thing?
01.
This is always your 100.
Yep.
It runs
They're
way
both-
better.
Yeah. Oh
And
yeah.
that one doesn't have any cruise control.
Yeah, that one doesn't have cruise
Good
control.
thing it doesn't have it. Jesus Christ.
Especially since it's that
Have
one.
you ever told him about your cruise control?
Yeah. I was making a video and I had to throttle and I went like this. It was
That's funny.
Do you miss your 100?
Oh, I can't wait till it goes. I mean, it's gonna suck seeing it go because I've done so much with that. That bike's been everywhere.
Yeah,
But this one's gonna be even better. This one's gonna be even more places.
that bike was a pretty good trooper.
That thing is a great trail bike.
Your bike slowly kept up.
Yeah.
But now this one does more than kept up.
Yeah, you guys were coming down the road, and as soon as I got hit this road, I went wing, wing, and I looked back, and you guys were gone. You guys went up the hill, but by the time you got around the turn, I was down here.
I got these Alpine cars. You know, they're really reinforced.
Cross shot.
They're really reinforced, you know what I'm saying? Up in the middle.
Yeah, they used to be mine.
And, you know, they call me Bryce the badass. But you know, they're really nice boots, you know what I'm saying? They're Alpine stars.
Are you trying to beat Ronnie Mac?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Now that I got two-stroke, I can say there's something wrong with that power band. It ain't riding right. Once I hit that power band, it goes. It ain't working. And Joey McGraw Jr.'s like, "You ain't wrong with the boat snickle. You ain't riding it right. You gotta get in there and work the clutch. What the clutch for? You gotta get in there and go, and boom, gone."
That thing's so ballsy.
Hop up on it.
You wanna ride it?
Yeah.
Now that first gear,
Yeah, I know.
don't give it gas.
You see, you never wear
That first gear, you'll feel that power band coming and it'll pull you.
Alright.
Safety is not #1 priority on one of these two-strokes. You know what it is? Number 5.
Horse, try kicking that thing.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, I'm about to have a fun time with this.
It's in neutral.
You gotta yell,
Oh, there you go.
don't die!
Now be careful with that clutch, it'll go on you.
Myles had a two-stroke before.
If you're gonna ride around there, you probably won't get out of second gear because it
Yeah.
goes.
And yeah, don't wham the throttle.
If you crash it, I'm taking your bike, riding up the hill and flipping it down the hill.
Alright.
Just kidding.
If you crash it, it'll be fine. It's a two-stroke.
Yeah. Make sure you lay it down this way, not that way, because that pipe.
Oh, yeah. This way?
Yeah. Feel like you're falling, use that leg, kick it over.
You gotta be like, you gotta kick this leg out for balance. You can even start it.
It's not
You want me to do it?
You might have to.
You had it, second kick.
Remember that 65 Myles had?
Yeah. I couldn't ride that thing to save my life. And now this thing I can ride perfectly. What the heck?
You were scared of that thing.
Motherfucker, here, Troy.
Yeah, I was.
I'm getting tired now.
Okay.
God damn.
We should go.
Down the creek?
Yeah, why not?
That ain't catching sewer turds.
I'll get a feel for it. I keep putting neutral.
I've done that before. I do that on the trail earlier.
How much you want to bet he's gonna hit that picnic table? That'd be hilarious. Look. Yeah. He's on his tiptoes, but that's good for a bike. You're so light that front tire will come up every time you hit the gas.
Nah, you just gotta go.
Sit on that gas tank.
Not use the clutch. 'Cause, you gotta go. That's a really good dirt bike impression.
Oh yeah. That's how you ride a dirt bike.
Yeah, you gotta Superman it, and then whenever you go to skip, you do this.
You gotta switch hands. You gotta take your throttle hand, take it over to the clutch, reach down, hope you don't fall and die, pull up the lever, put your hand on, go over here, let go of the clutch, hit the gas.
Don't ride like this.
How you like it?
You give it gas and it like kicks out from under you.
Yeah, right?
Gas and it's like.
Your camera. Honda or a KTM? Honda,
Oh, yeah.
KTM, and
KTM.
Kawasaki.
KTMs are expensive.
Yeah. Hi. He's showing up to the camera.
See, these aftermarket boots do give you a good beat.
Shut.
Aftermarket boots.
That's what I call them. Because you know they got the A. A for aftermarket.
Yeah.
I got these reinforced.
Just so you guys
tags.
know, I'm gonna be riding this every day from now on. So I hope I don't wake you up at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
We kind of stayed up
Yeah, I was
till like
laying in
5
bed
in
and I
the
hear
morning.
wink, 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 wink. What the fuck's that?
Keep it clean.
Keep it clean.
Mom, get the camera.
Maybe
Julie's gonna see this and she's like, what'd he say?
maybe I should get a Honda TRX 250R. Two-stroke. Could you imagine that thing?
What he say? What he say? Mom, get the camera. That's what I say.
Those 250Rs are wicked.
Hmm.
Two-strokes.
Everything's wicked whenever I ride it.
That thing's wicked.
Yeah, it is.